Well, I must say, on a personal note, this is probably one of the better days, the best days of my life. I would say, and I think on behalf of the primary care physicians in this state and all of the patients that we have tried to serve in this broken system, this bill is such a major step forward. And again, establishing health care as a public good is not anywhere in this nation do we consider it that. We consider health care a commodity to be bought and sold on the marketplace. But we're going to hear all kinds of scare stories that this is a thoughtless experiment or that it is too bold. But I would remind you that every other industrialized country does what we are trying to do, and they do it for far less money. They live longer, and they get better quality care. So it's time for Vermont to join the rest of the industrialized world. So there are many people to thank for getting us this far, as the governor mentioned. There are many organizations that worked for years to get us this far. But one of the main reasons we are here today is because we had the legislature that decided that this was the right thing to do, led by Speaker Shap Smith and Senate Pro Tem John Campbell, and we owe them a huge debt of gratitude. And they made this their top priority. And to all the legislators who voted for this bill, we thank them profusely for doing that because it was bold and they stuck their necks out, and we have to stand behind them and endorse their candidacy. But really the special thanks, in my view, goes to our governor, Peter Shumlin, who made a pledge. If he were elected governor, he would make Vermont the first state in the nation to enact a single-payer, publicly financed system that pays for health care for all Vermonters. And how many politicians do you know that really do what they say they're going to do? We will hear this is an impossible goal. But all along, people have said that it was impossible to get this far. But here we are. And now the real work begins. We have a long road ahead of us to get this bill in place. Let's get started, but after the party. Yeah.